take care of these goats properly, we get the market from foreign countries, especially Turkey, China, and Egypt. We have a number of clients from foreign markets. We have a number of clients from foreign markets, and these people have come on board and they have bought their goats. We always sell only males, and the females are left for continuity and multiplication. But when we have very many males, we castrate them, and when they are ready, we sell them. Just like in this match, we have supplied about 9,000, I think, 9,000 of these species. So when you come on board, you are assured that you have the best quality, because this meat is measured to be on standard. If it doesn't have the qualities a good meat should have, they don't take it. So we have plenty of the market. That is why I would call on fellow people, if you have land like this and you have the resources, please do the goat farming. Then ask me the market. Ask me the what? The market. This breed is a good one because it is a combination of 3 breeds. 1, Kalahari. 2, Boer. 3, Mubende. So we mix the 3 races to get what we call a 75%.